What do you think you're doing?
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see the wire and I tripped.
Give it back to me. You ruined my whole setup. You did this on purpose, right?
I'm sorry. I was just trying to fix it. And why would I do this on purpose?
Oh my gosh. You just wanted my attention, didn't you, creep?
No, I didn't. And why didn't you use the other power socket? This is literally the way where everyone is walking. Anyone could have tripped on it.
Just go. I don't want to see your face anymore. I won't forget this easily. If you mess with me, I will destroy your life.